Hi there, welcome to the Life Skills Green. In this English grammar session, we are going to learn chapter 47 about indefinite pronouns. Today our topic is indefinite pronouns. In English grammar, what are indefinite pronouns? Indefinite pronouns are words that replace nouns without specifying exactly who, what, where, or how many. These pronouns refer to people, things, places, or quantities in a general or unspecified way. They are useful when the identity is not known, the information is not important, or the speaker wants to be general. Indefinite pronouns can be grouped by what they refer to and how they function in sentences. Referring to people, here we have table. These are affirmative. Somebody, someone, everybody, everyone. Somebody, affirmative, negative, nobody, interrogative, anybody. Someone, no one, interrogative, anyone. Everybody, everyone. This is affirmative list, negative and interrogative. Referring to things, something, affirmative, negative, nothing, interrogative, anything, everything. Referring to places, affirmative, somewhere, everywhere, negative, nowhere, interrogative, anywhere. Here you have the list. Referring to quantity or number, singular, plural, can be both singular or plural. Each, few, all, another, several, some, one, many, none, either, others, more, neither, most, much, any, little. Detailed explanation and examples. Indefinite pronouns referring to people. Here we have list. Examples: someone, somebody, meaning one unknown person used positively. Somebody knocked at the door. Someone is calling you. Anyone, anybody, meaning any person, used in questions, negatives, and conditionals. Is anyone here? I didn't see anybody. No one, nobody, meaning not a single person. Nobody answered the phone. No one knows the answer. Now here anyone, anybody, no one, nobody. No one, nobody is same. Anyone, anybody is same. Someone, somebody was also same, because anyone, anybody is, this is like general English, this is informal English. This is formal or informal, that's the difference. No one is formal, nobody is informal. Here you have everyone, everybody, meaning all people. Everyone arrived on time, everybody is happy today. Indefinite pronouns referring to things, something, meaning one unknown thing, positive. Example: I had something outside. She brought something for you. Anything, meaning anything at all, used in questions, negatives. Example: do you need anything? He didn't do anything wrong. Nothing, meaning not a single thing. Example sentences: there is nothing inside the box. She said nothing during the meeting. Everything, meaning all things. Everything is ready. He lost everything in the fire. Now here we have next page, indefinite pronouns referring to places. Somewhere, meaning an unknown place, positive. Let's go somewhere quiet. I left my bag somewhere. Anywhere, meaning any place, used in questions, negatives. Example: did you go anywhere today? You can sit anywhere, meaning not any place. Example: there is nowhere to hide. They had nowhere to go. Everywhere, meaning all places. Example sentence: I looked everywhere for my keys. There were people everywhere. We have indefinite pronouns referring to quantity or number. Here we talk about numbers. In indefinite pronouns, all, meaning every person or thing. All were present. All of the food was eaten. Some, meaning an unspecified part. Example: some children are playing outside. Would you like some tea? None, meaning not any. None of the answers are correct. I asked for cookies, but none were left. Each, meaning everyone individually, singular. Example: each student got a prize. Each of them was happy, meaning all, used with singular nouns. Here we have example sentences. Every day is a new beginning. She visited every city in Europe. Either, meaning one or two. Example: you can have either apple. Either of the roads will lead you there. Neither, meaning not one nor the other of two. Example, neither answer is correct. Neither of the players came. One, meaning an unspecified person or thing. One should always be honest. One never knows what will happen. Another, meaning one more or an additional one. Example, can I have another cup of tea? We need another chair. Others, meaning other people or things. Some left early, others stayed. Help others whenever you can. Other, meaning the second or remaining ones. Example, she prefers the other design. Choose the other option. Many, meaning a large number. Many students passed the exam. Many were excited. Few, meaning a small number. Few people know the secret. I have a few close friends. Several, meaning more than a few but not many. Several students joined the club. She made several attempts. Much, meaning a large amount. Example sentences, there isn't much water left. Much has been said already. Little, meaning a small amount. Example, there is little hope. He had little time to prepare. Most, meaning almost all. Example, most children love games. Most of the work is done. Any, meaning one, some, or all. In negative questions, do you have any pencils? I don't have any idea. Quick usage tips. Every refer to all. Everyone is ready. Some, positive and polite requests. Would you like something to eat? Any, questions or negatives. Is there anything I can help with? No, strong negatives. Nobody was there. Here we have indefinite pronouns table, summary table here. Pronoun refers to examples. Someone, person. Someone is knocking. Nothing, thing. There is nothing inside. Everywhere, place. I searched everywhere. Few, pronoun few refers to quantity. Example, few passed the test. Pronoun another refers to quantity. Example, he took another cookie. Many, pronoun many refers to quantity. Example sentence, many came to the event. Pronoun none refers to quantity. Example, none were chosen. Practice tip for learners. When you are not sure who or what you are talking about, use an indefinite pronoun. Try writing 5 sentences with different indefinite pronouns to check your understanding. Now, after studying the whole chapter on indefinite pronouns, now you have to do these exercises. You have to choose from one correct option to match indefinite pronoun and use. You have to match them correctly. Match the pronouns with their correct use. You have also answer key for indefinite pronouns. All of the exercises that you have seen the previous page. On the previous page, here you have answer keys for all these exercises. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next chapter.